Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple photos on Facebook. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Facebook on your mobile device. Now go ahead and tap on the Photos icon. Tap on the Select Multiple option. Now select the photos that you want to upload. Once you are done, tap on the Next button at the top right of your screen. Now tap on the Post button at the top right of your screen. And that's it. This is how you upload multiple photos on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.